Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, the manager of a furniture factory finds that it costs $2,200 to manufacture 100 chairs in one day and $4,800 to produce 300 chairs in one day. So first we're asked to express the cost as a function of the number of chairs produced, assuming that it is linear, and to sketch the graph. So let's say let x represent the number of chairs and y equal the cost. We're doing it this way and not flipped because it's the cost as a function of chairs. So it's y as a function of x, which is sort of the standard terminology to use. So we're going to have some points x, y. For $2,200 to make 100 chairs, that means that we have a point 100, 2,200. And 300 chairs is $4,800. Now we have 2 points and we can come up with the function since it's a linear function. So m is equal to the slope, the change in y, 4,800 minus 2,200, over the change in x, 300 minus 100. 4,800 minus 2,200 is 2,600. Divided by 300 minus 100 is 200. The slope is 13. We can use this in the equation of a line. Y equals mx plus b. Plugging in 13. We can now plug in one of our points for x and y. 2,200 is equal to 13 times 100 plus b. 2,200 equals 1,300 plus b equals 900. So therefore, y is equal to 13x plus 900. And we can graph this right here. If this is 900, we can say 600, 300. Our graph, actually not the best point to start at 900 way up here, but our graph starts at 900 since we can't have negative numbers. And then it goes up with a slope of 13. So for 300, y is equal to 13 times 300 plus 900. Therefore, it equals 13 times 3, 2,600, plus 900. It equals 3,500. So it's going to shoot up very, very quickly. So we can just draw it like that. For b, what is the slope of the graph and what does it represent? It is the rate of change of y over x. So it is the change in y, cost, per chair. C, what is the y-intercept of the graph and what does it represent? It represents y when x is equal to 0. So it's the cost for producing 0 chairs. You can maybe think of this as the cost of just running the factory in a day. Even if you produce 0 chairs, you're still going to have to pay $900. So this is our function. This is the slope and what it represents. And this is the cost for producing 0 chairs, the y-intercept. I'll actually write 13,900 since I think it's asking for it, the actual values of these for B and C.